Well, hello everybody. You all saw the big beard trim. My choice. I grow and wear my beard the way I want to. Short, long, or in between. That's my choice. But I like to inspire people and give people ideas. And you saw how nice and crisp it was. Well, I just took a shower. Used the beard wash and beard conditioner and got out, pat dried it, and put some beard oil in. Well, as you can see, it's not the same as it was before. And that's because the grooming has to occur. That's right. This right here is an electric heated brush. And this is a game changer. Definitely a game changer for people that want to grow beards, pretty unruly, go in every direction possible. But for me, I've been growing a beard for a long time, and I've cut it and grown it, cut it and grown it. All this right here is all original. I've only trimmed length. I only trim length, I trim here, a little bit around here. That's it. I don't get in there with the electric clippers. Nope. So as you see, this is how it is, and we will commence with the electric heat brush. And when I do a stroke of this, I will do a stroke of that. So let's get over here. Yeah, we're on 300. We got the ionic going. Lightly go through. Lightly go through. Switch. Through here. Yeah, technique. As you can see, it's making a difference. Big difference. See, the spacing of the electric heated brush is different than this, but the combo together works good for me. Yeah. A little bit of the stash. You don't want to press in. A little of the stash. Yeah. Now, I'm going to go from underneath. You'll have to develop your own technique. Oh, it's the V-beard! Ha! Okay. Now, brush it down a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go this way. You may think, oh, that takes a lot of time. Well, not really. Just schedule it in your routine here. Yeah. Almost there. Yeah. And under 5 minutes. Develop your own routine. Definitely want to make sure you have some beard oil in. And it's been in for at least 5 minutes. And I say to there, okay? Yeah. So, we're at this point in time. What do you think? Pretty cool stuff. Well, I could work on it a little bit more with the hair dryer. Just put that over here. A lot of people use a hair dryer with the attachment here like that. I like to be on the gentle side and use a diffuser. We're not going to go that far because it's evening time. But what I'm going to do is put some beard butter in. So, I'm putting a little moisture back in the beard. Yeah. Now the beard oil is mainly for the skin, and it definitely is good for the whiskers, protect the whiskers from heat and health and everything. But yeah. Get some moisture in there. Oh, that wrecked what the heated brush did. Well, see what it is I don't want the beard to look too straight, but I don't want it to be too unruly either. And since I wanted some control, hey, I'll give my, now I gotta pick that out there. Oh, I didn't use that one. There we go. So, what the heck is going on? Oh, I used a heavier weight oil, Polly's from Copper John's, and has like a cherry almond scent. So I'm going to follow it up with Polly's beard butter. Smells good. Yeah, I'm going to throw some of that in. Don't need much. There we go. Yeah, that's what cherry blossoms. Like you see on TV. Yeah. Japan and Washington, D.C. You see them trees blooming. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. You roughed it up. You had a good thing going with the electric brush. Oh, that's still there to a point. But I don't want it too straight and not too unruly. Hope you catch them on here. Everybody has their own routine. Yep. Own routine. And you saw I used the brush earlier. So now what I'm going to use, carbon fiber combs. Ooh, carbon fiber. Is that like a carbon fiber hood scoop or a spoiler? Or a front lip? Well, something like that. But a little different. Okay. So what I'm going to use? I'm going to use a pick. Well, I don't have an afro, but see, I'm going to be going a little pick. Boing, 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 like a banjo pick. Guitar pick. Picking away here. Yep. Just checking it out. Yeah. That is what I'm talking about. Look at that, huh? Woo! You might as well have fun at it. Because people be going, oh, you're doing all this stuff. Well, of course. You don't have to have all that stuff. Okay, now, detangler, Chicago comb. Right there in Chicago. Whew. They got it going on for sure. See that? Getting that shape, but not too unruly. But I had the crisp lines on before. I'm happy medium. Yep. Believe it or not, this was meant for a pet. But now people are catching on. Men are catching on. Even though I got the short beard, it's still good for the short beard. It goes right in there. Yep. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, just like sanding, you start with a coarse. In this case, you start with a wide tooth. Well, I started with the pick that has surface, and you got the number 8 detangler. And I'm starting to whittle my way down here. So, this one right here. Yeah. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I'm gonna look at myself. You know what? You look pretty darn good today. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, getting down now. Getting down now. Okay. Look at this little one. Great for the stash. Yeah. Right there, throw a little direction in there. Yeah. Direction in there. Oh. Right here too. Get that going. That going over there. And that one. This is good. Oh, this is okay. Yeah, a little bit. I like this one here. Yeah, from I won't say who. Yeah. Very forgiving. Ergonomic handle. Yep. That right down to the pores here. I am really liking what I'm seeing. Last but not least. Yep. This mighty fine comb. See that? See that? Number 1 from Chicago Comb. I got one I take with me at work. Goes in a leather pouch. Yep. Now this is what I use every day. Yep. There we go. So. And there we go. Then I'll get a teasing brush. Yeah, just brush that up a little bit. Down. Lightly pat that down there. Lightly bring that, pat that down a little bit on the angle. Tease the edges. And that's what I'm talking about. And, oh, you old funny guy, you. Hey, you know why your nose runs? Because it's trying to get away from your face. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have yourself a good day.